Hey everybody, about to go outside and do some beehive maintenance real quick. Hello. Oof, my goodness. Shows you how much the snow is building up as a drift. Put my turtle fur up so I don't freeze to death. There we go. Now we're warm. Hopefully you can still hear me. All right, here goes nothing. Wham. That's a lot of snow. All right, so what am I doing? There's my beehives. Well, not my beehives, my wife's beehives. For her beekeeping business that I help with a little bit from time to time. Like, you know, right now it's freezing outside and the entrances have to be cleared. So you're probably saying to yourself, why do beehive entrances need to be cleared? Well, it's all about air exchange, right? It's the same way if you put us in an enclosed area and then all of a sudden our one pathway to air gets blocked off, and then our air exchange goes a little crazy, or there's no air exchange at all. So they are animals just like us, and they breathe out CO2 and they require oxygen just like us. So what I do is I come out here, there's the little entranceway, and I clear that snow off of there so they can breathe easier. Now the good thing about this is, unlike the ice storm we got last week, which is really dangerous, snow is permeable. Snow does allow for some breathing, use that term loosely, because there's gaps in it. It's porous, right? So air can get through snow, especially this light fluffy stuff. I mean, this snow is wild. I told someone earlier, it reminds me of concrete dust. If you've ever had to cut concrete, oh my goodness, the snow is deep. I think wearing felt pants is a bad idea. What do you think? All right. Oh, there we go. It's easy enough to do. But my girls are way up in here in the top of this hive. They're all bundled up like penguins in Antarctica, staying warm. So they're perfectly fine as long as keep their little entranceway open so they can breathe easier. That little bit of snow right there, that's not much. And again, it's very porous. But this is the second time I've done this today. Take care of them so they can do their work. Look at this, this is crazy. And just think, I've already done this once a day. Had I not, it'd be totally covered over. Capped over, I would say. You probably noticed the little stickers. That's because bees remember their hive. They do these flights when they're young, and it's an orientation flight, so that way they know which hive is theirs just by looking at it. And they also obviously go by the scent of their queen. Okay, I'm over halfway done. That's all. Short video. I want to show you guys what I'm up to. Stay warm. Take care of yourself. Bye.